Okay, now that you have one side and one layer of the Rubik's Cube completed, yay! You gotta turn it upside down. Now, for the second layer, you're looking for these edge pieces. And so on. You're about to learn two very long, disastrous, intimidating algorithms, but you'll be fine. So, we'll try looking for this edge piece first, which is white and red. So you gotta find an edge piece that has white and red. This one. So what you gotta do is that the front side of the piece is white, so you gotta bring it where it's white as well. Right here. So it's white matches with white, and red is on top. And you know that this piece has to go over here because it's white and red. White and red. So here's one of two algorithms. This has to go to the right. So you do this algorithm. It is U R U inverted R inverted U inverted front inverted U front, and you just move that piece from here to here. That may be a little tricky because of the camera angle, but I'll show you again with this edge piece. So you're looking for an edge piece that has red and yellow. So we gotta find it, which is right here. Yellow, red. Like I said before, you gotta match the color of the faced side with the centerpiece. So since this is yellow, you gotta match it with yellow, which is right here. So just simply turn it over. So this piece has to go over here because yellow matches the red here and the red here. So the other piece, the first example, had to go to the right. Now you gotta go to the left. This is the second algorithm. It is U inverted, left inverted, U, L, U, F, U inverted, F inverted. And now you just move that piece from here to here. Now we'll look for this edge piece, which is yellow and orange. Oh, what do you know? It's right here. So this piece is already matching yellow because of the center and the edge pieces. And orange. So you gotta move it over here. This has to go to the right. And you have to use this algorithm, like the first example. It is U, R, U inverted, R inverted, U inverted, F inverted, U, F. And you just brought that piece from here to here. And since you did it for all the sides already, or the edge pieces, you've solved the second layer, 2/3 of the Rubik's Cube. Now, it's just the last layer remaining.